everybody! So cool news, I have one of those little ring lights now, so hopefully the lighting will be better in my videos, but you may see this weird ring in my eyes. That's all it is. I'm just trying to make the lighting a little bit better. Today I'm going to be showing you this hairstyle. I did this a couple days ago, and a lot of people were asking how they could make it possible with very thin hair. So I'm going to be showing you a way you can do it with thin hair and also medium thickness, kind of like my hair. All you're going to need for this style is 2 hair elastics and some large bobby pins or small bobby pins. I like to use these hair elastics. They're just headbands, and I double them up like that. I'm just going to take a large bobby pin and lightly part the back of my hair because I don't want a super defined part. I'm going to do pigtails essentially, but they're going to be really close together. Pull the hair right here so you have a little bit of a bump. So I want to show you really quick the option for thin hair. I'm just going to move this hair up out of the way because I'm just going to pretend I don't have this hair right now. So we're going to pretend that this is all the hair I have right now because I want to show you how you can do the bun with thinner hair. And what you're going to do to make your bun look fuller with thin hair is twist it very lightly like this, and then pull the hair out so that it makes the twist look bigger. You can spray this with hairspray so that it's not frizzy. I'm not going to do that though, just for the sake of the video. Okay, I'll take the hair, twist it like this. You'll want to use small bobby pins for this because you may be able to see large bobby pins. Just twist your hair and pull as you wrap it around. And then put a bobby pin in each time. And then you can keep pulling just to make it look bigger and bigger and bigger. If you have shorter, thinner hair, do the bun this way and your bun will look bigger and fuller. If you have thicker hair, you will have no trouble getting a larger bun. But if you have medium thickness hair, sometimes it can still be tricky, especially if your hair is fine or straight like mine. So I'll show you how I do it on medium thickness hair. I like to pull these little stringies out right here. Sometimes I curl those, but this is a completely heatless hairstyle, so probably won't curl them today. Gonna use my favorite hairspray. It's the Giovanni Spritz. I don't use much. Now all you're gonna do is take your pigtails and make your bun. So I like to lightly twist it and then pull the hair. And then spray it just so that it stays smooth. And I leave this hair hanging out right here. Typically I don't have that much hanging out, so kind of shape it how you want it and then hold it in place and then stick your bobby pins in. I'm using large bobby pins from Sally's. Pin the loosest places first. Alright guys, that's literally all you do. It's a super simple way to make your bun look bigger and fuller, and I like how you can see it from the front. So it's a nice full bun, and this can go for dressy or casual. I've worn it for both. If you want to see a similar style, I will link that in the description of this video and also at the end of this video. So if you stay tuned to the end, you can just click on the link. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.